Hi guys, and welcome to another Around the Year tutorial. The first Valentine's Day of the decade is peeking at us from right around the corner, so today I'll show you 2 easy Valentine's Day themed breakfast ideas that you can make. The first one is going to be a savory breakfast, and the second one is going to be a sweet breakfast, so whatever your taste, there will be something in it for you. These breakfast ideas are also great for Mother's or Father's Day breakfasts. But meanwhile, let's get right into the video. For the savory breakfast, you will need a slice of toast, some tomatoes, 2 eggs, and a heart-shaped cookie cutter. Using your cookie cutter, cut out a heart-shaped hole in the middle of your toast. Place your toast into a greased pan and crack one of your eggs into the hole. You can also crack an egg into the cookie cutter, but make sure it's made of steel and heat resistant first, as you wouldn't want to use plastic in a hot pan. And here we have it, heart-shaped fried egg and toast. Moving on to the second idea, apple crepe. You're going to need an egg, a tablespoon of oil, I'm using sunflower oil, flour, water, and a pinch of salt. Now mix everything together until the batter is smooth. Next, we're going to take an apple and cut it into thin slices. Using some cookie cutters, we're now going to cut out different sized hearts. Next, heat about a tablespoon of coconut oil in a pan and pour some batter in. Then quickly, while the batter is still moist, add your apple slices. After a couple of minutes, flip your pancake and let it fry on the other side. When done, trim your pancake and remove any blemishes, and serve sprinkled with sugar and cinnamon. So that's it for this video, and if you enjoyed it, please leave me a thumbs up down below. Also, I'm currently trying to bring my YouTube channel to 500 subscribers by March 31st, So if you want to be part of this challenge, please go down and subscribe now, and I'll see you in the next video.